¿Qué tal, amigos y seguidores de Sobre Orugas? Nos encontramos aquí en el Mundo de Concreto 2025 y pasamos a este stand que es de Ronlon Machinery. Son unas aspiradoras industriales y nos van a hablar un poquito de ello para que conozcan.
Hola, Mexico. This is Sammie from China Ronlon Machinery. We are the producer for concrete grinder and vacuum cleaner. We have more than 23 years experience in China for this industry. And here today we are in Las Vegas, World of Concrete, and today we are showing different types of vacuum cleaners. You can see we have different models here. This one with pre-separator, and this one with automatic filter cleaning, and this one is a two-stage filtration, and this one is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and the other models. We have a lot of available. You can check our website, rollonflowsystem.com, and you can also reach me on Facebook at Sammie Lee, Sammie Li, Sammie Lee. And we are China Ronlon Machinery. We produce concrete grinder and a vacuum cleaner. Welcome to know more. Thank you.